Anyway, enough about my internet. What's up, y'all? We're working on a little demo for this here video game. Okay, I know where we're gonna start. There's a lot of things I need to do still, and we have very few streams to work on this till Halloween. Because this is coming out Halloween no matter how unfinished it is. I've decided this. Oh, I need to take screenshots of stuff. We could do that too. It's kind of tedious, but like I don't need any energy to do that, which is kind of where I'm at right now. I need to make levels. I just really don't feel like doing that right now, so I won't be doing that. I would be down to hunt some of these bugs that we have. Let me pull up the bug list. I know the big one is probably this thing. Let me show it off. Well, that reminds me, if you're watching this on YouTube, aka in the future, I need to, I'm gonna go back and link the actual game page on all these videos. So hopefully that's there by now. If it's not, comment below and like the video. And report it for harassment. No, I'm kidding. Other random call to actions. I wonder if that's against terms of service encouraging. It probably is, because it's creating false, like, things. Encouraging your audience to flag your own videos. There's probably some nefarious reason why someone would do that somewhere in the thicket of things, but strictly a joke, chat. Do not mind me. I don't know which window this is going to show up on, so we're going to just hide the monitor for a second. Yo, what's up? Whoever did that. Oh, it showed up over here. But it did also try to dox me, so I wasn't completely off by my actions there. I'm gonna hit stop recording. No, reshare screen. There we go. What's up, Possum? Anyway, yeah, so we have a fun little bug. Oh yeah, also you can't click this menu, or you can't click some of it. Like, you can click this menu. You just can't click the other one. Dude, why was that first song so much louder than everything else? I guess because of the title screen, I don't know. You know, the other thing I want to know, so this, yeah, I can click this as well. So the noteworthy thing is that those two menus are both prefabs that we grabbed from somewhere else. I wonder if there's either something that's in there with them or something I'm missing from the rest of everything. Oh yeah, isn't there like a, there's like a control thing that you usually put on like a UI page in Godot. Or no, maybe oh no, I am thinking of Unity, never mind. There's like that, like, event monitor or something like that. Just as a sanity check, though, let me see, is there any... no. There must be, like, something in front of something in my, title screen menu. Oh, shoot! No, that's behind everything. What am I doing? Oh. No, wait, that's not right, because... Yeah, this isn't covering anything because it's not, It's just whatever. Do I even need editable children here? I do, because I passed this thing in, so it knows how to, like, focus the cursor correctly, so it works for controllers and stuff. Never mind. What? Sanity check. Let's just hide this menu altogether. We already have custom logic for the load menu anyway, like, maybe I can just alter it to, like, unhide both of those. I think that might be what's happening, though. Yeah, I can click the menu now. It literally is that load screen thing. That's funky. It's also weird that that isn't a problem for the options menu. Oh, is options, like, above it? It is! And so is credits. I bet the button works on credits when this is up. So we could fix this by just moving this behind everything else. That is like the worst way to fix this, but I'm gonna do it. You can't stop me. Alright. Already fixed a bug. I got another thing to add to the new game menu. That is kind of dumb that blocks it, because, like, nothing's in there. Oh, you know what? It's because of this background is what's in the way. That's a little annoying. Especially since it's redundant, we don't actually need it. Oh well, what can you do? Oh, actually, not bug fixing, there's the thing I want to do tonight on the game. I want to add in features for... I want to make the game actually pause when you open the menu, and then also make the menu not, like, transparent, so it's like it's a standalone menu that's fully open and everything. Again, all of that would be solved if I, like, actually hide and show this thing as well as the other thing, but... How do I, like, select this in page here? Take me to where that is. Highlight it. There we go. Okay, so that is that base level thing. So we could, in theory, like, hide and show this. Yeah, you know what? Let's do that. I'm all over the place right now. Again, very frazzled today. Sorry, chat. Put this where it actually is. And then we'll just make this, like, show and hide properly. Because there's nothing stopping us from just having that as a thing. What the hell is the hide? Because we can back out of that menu, right? Oh, I know how it's handled. There's, that's why this is public. Yeah. No, wait, this is for options. The hell? Maybe there's one... Oh yeah, we don't have the controls wired up either. Shoot, we need to do that. Yeah. I will fix that in a second. Again, I'm all over the place here. Just duplicate this. I hope this doesn't... Well, this is all text anyway. do they have, Oh, they don't. I'm wondering if they have... I guess I would build a custom UI for this or something, but, slide toggles, like, on mobile apps, rather than a checkbox. I don't know. Seems nicer, cleaner. Should I center this? I don't know. I don't know, man. It's going to mildly bug me. If these are numbered, even though it literally does not matter one bit. Oh, it's not loud again. Whatever, anyway. And we couldn't get a way to have that cleanly show, since it's not going to be a feature in the demo anyway, it doesn't matter. Yeah, maybe we should enable the randomizer in the demo, like we have the code for it. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. At the very least, like, allowing the item randomizer, because, like, if we just do, like, items that are non-key items, I think that's pretty doable. The enemy randomizer, it doesn't really make sense to do that since we only have 2 enemies right now. It's not gonna be good. And then randomizing the codes, we don't have that fully wired up yet, so... Let's line these up, shall we? Black background was not the best choice here. I mean, the player's not even gonna see those freaking checkboxes. If we have time to pass over things again, I will, clean that up a little bit so you can actually see these unusable checkboxes. Is that right? That's like 1 pixel off, maybe, but whatever, you can't tell at this level. Dude, the sound balancing on this upload is, questionable at best. Oh, these are separate, like, videos, that's probably why. No, but they're all uploaded by the same person. I don't know. Whatever. Alright, that's enough fiddling with UI to make my bad UI look slightly less bad. Right, okay, bug has been fixed. No, it hasn't, because I moved it back into place. Yeah, I don't want to burn myself with this later, so, like, let's figure this out. Your back button, what do you do? It calls this, and it also calls on back to main menu. Oh, you know what? I can solve this pretty easily. Just use current menu. Like, we're only not using it because it was, like... The thing we actually have to show is inside of there, but, I mean, we can just do both. That's fine. And then the natural process will just take care of it from there. Cool. Put that back up there. What the fuck is it called? I was literally just looking at the signal. What the hell does it do? Oh, this probably isn't public. It's okay, if we take out the parent node, the child node will also go away. Alright, let's test it. Let's test it also being kind of silly and leaving our thing open as if we forgot. Since that sanity check should solve all this. Still click stuff, awesome. Can still find the loading screen, awesome. This is still clickable. Alright, can't find room, yep. Wrong thing to click. Can actually load a scene, awesome. Yeah, so the bigger bug that we do want to fix here is... Oh, not X's desktop, dang it. If you go back to the title screen and click Start New Game or Load Game, either one, the game's broken when you load in. So that's a big problem, as one might imagine. Oh, adding the controller bindings to the title screen, that definitely should be done. That can't be too hard to get in there, we can make that happen tonight. I'm not gonna just work on the menu the entire time, but like, probably be pretty heavy around that. Bug UI is a filter by PS1 graphical filter, yep, that is true. Feature, pause game when menus are open, yep. When menus are open. Which means pause menu, status menu, save menu, and load menu, yeah. Replace get input.get vector. The fuck? I think we did this. Oh wait, you guys can't see what I'm looking at. It's got my name on it. Dang it. Here, let me copy it to somewhere that's not this. course, this is silly because then I'll be... yeah, whatever. Whatever. Bug, player is quick turning like crazy, can only... wait, that definitely is not still an issue. I think that was my, like, controller that was in the process of dying that was causing that. Okay, let's test that. Because I feel like that's definitely not still a bug, but... maybe? Hold any direction after pressing shift, and it'll just do it, from what they're saying. Oops. That's not the controls. And that doesn't happen. Just literally doesn't happen. That might have been related to, like, a different bug that we had. Note pickup throwing errors in every scene. Cannot access object that's been disposed. I think we fixed that one too, but I'm not sure. I'm not going to delete that one because that is like an intermittent error that comes up, so... or if I see intermittent errors coming up, I'll know it's probably related to that. Later in the game, after assuming or obtaining a map, assumes you still have the map even if your save file did not. Loading the game after obtaining... oh, right. I see what it's saying. So, like, if I go in and... this might relate to our load issue, too. So let's make a save game here. So we don't have the map here, right? If I go look at the map... yep, you can see we don't have the map. Wait, the doors aren't showing up. What's a different issue? What's up, Int? How's it going? DD Goon Edition. Alright, so now we have the map. And I'm going to go load this scene. And it's gonna think that we still have the map. Yeah, okay, so that is still an issue. I bet even if I go back to title screen... it'll break the game. Yeah, right, that bug is still there. That we gotta fix. Heard this in 8088 Domination, I think. Yeah. Oh, what's the song if you don't mind me asking? Oh, this is called Starlight Highway from the game Snowboard Kids 2. Here. Yeah, also always feel free to ask if I'm like listening to music and like, what's the song? There may be times when I don't have the answer, but you know. This is how it is. Let's say, okay, confirm that this is a bug. This might not be a bug. I know you guys can't see this much. No problem. Item box bugs. I don't feel like fucking with the item box right now. I don't think that these are like that bad. Not syncing with whatever happens in a room. Yeah, so that has like a duplication glitch to it where like, if you pick up an item in a room with an item box and then put it in the item box, I think if you leave that room, it will not recognize that you had that item taken out of your inventory, and it will still save it to the item box, so it dupes. Either that or the opposite. Here, let me I know I didn't fix this, so there's no way it's like working out of nowhere. Stupid data stuff. Alright, so I'm in this room, right? So I'm gonna go pick up this item over here. One of them, both of them, I guess, whatever. I'm gonna put our green potion in here, our green juice in here. Then we're gonna leave, and I think we're still gonna have the green juice. Oh no, wait, we don't. So I think it's even worse. It just deletes whatever is in there. So the game still thinks that we picked it up because we did. But if I go check my item box, it's gonna be not in there. Oh, okay. No, I'm just wrong. I don't know why. I guess I can't imagine why that would have gotten fixed at some point. I'll leave a note next to that one. Item box does not focus on currently selected item box slot. I don't think that's true either. I think these are old notes, chat. It's not good. Yeah, no, it totally does. I'm currently just listening to the entire soundtrack from that game for reference. That's also not aligned properly. I really should read through all these item box bugs if I'm looking at them. I guess this one's also fixed question mark. In storing item, the slot that it was stored... Oh, that's been fixed. We can delete that. Storing item, UI doesn't update on either end. That definitely is not true. Again, I'll verify. This is the last item box bug, so we don't need to... So now I will intentionally close the game after messing with this. Alright, so we got our UI, right? Boom. Like, it's gone there, it's in there, that's what we want. I fixed all of these at some point, I think. But that's definitely just not a bug anymore. I remember that happening, but I think we fixed that, like, the night it came up. UI is affected by PS1 graphics filter. That's a big overhaul that I need to figure out, but I'm not tackling that right now. This, I think, is done. Title screen errors due to map... Yeah, okay, that's... I don't feel the need to fix that, because that'll just throw an error. Like, during runtime, whatever. I don't know, man. It's not gonna blow anything up, right? I think the way to fix this is to specifically, like, trace the tree and see if there's a node for the title screen. That's probably the best way to fix this, because, like... I want that error there. Like, I don't want to disable that error, because if I ever forget to put a required piece of data in a map, I want that to, like, error at me and be like, hey, you forgot to put this in here. But I don't want it on the title screen, because the title screen doesn't have a map. Add control bindings to the title screen, we could do that. Make it so entire inventory isn't forked when the map fails to load. That is important. But that's not the easiest thing to do. I mean, we can throw try catches around it, but I'd rather just have, like, predictive error handling. I think I might have figured out the fix for the loading bug. We'll see. I don't know. Oh, you know what I haven't checked? Yeah, the way I wrote this, it sounds like you specifically have to load save file after going back to title screen. I don't know if, like, starting new game fixes everything for us. Dude, did I not write over that, or write that other bug up? We fixed it. I don't know, man. Anyway, let's test this out first, though. I've been working on this for half an hour already. It's also very late, because I started like an hour late. I was busy, chat. Like, I think we might just be able to fix this by calling that, like, reset game function. Never mind. No. Fuck. Also, Chad, I'm sad. I know I'm trying to cut down on drinking in general, but I noticed that Christmas ale is now on sale. But my usual go-to brand was like $24 because the store only had like the premium edition of it, which had fucking foil around every bottle in the 6-pack. I'm like, I mean, I could try this, I guess, but that's like a lot of money for a 6-pack of beer. Maybe it's worth it. Maybe it's really good primo premium stuff. I think it's like barrel aged or something as opposed to the normal batch that they just do whatever with. So I instead purchased a different brand of Christmas ale. It's not bad. This particular one has a history because people around here like love it, but the like brewmaster that or whatever the title is, I don't know what you call the head brewing person at the company, like left that company, and then it instantly got worse like that fought the next year when it was time for that seasonal beer to be batched. So I guess he took his recipe with him. But then he went to a different brewing company, and that's my like go-to now when I'm drinking a Christmas ale. Enough chit chatter about drinking though. Chat, I'm gonna self-sabotage myself here. Alright, I don't have half of one. Let's get wacky with tonight. I'm taking an edible. Or rather, I'm taking half an edible, because these are fucking 50 milligrams. Oh, these... Nope, we got one left in here. Not coming out. And my hand's all sticky because the whole bag is sticky. Alright, before I throw this out, let me make sure there's actually no more gummies in here. Because this was just a pack of 4 right now. Pull out ye old drug knife. That sounds so bad. That... Literally just cutting an edible in half. I mean, it is drug-related, I guess. If I can. It's a gummy, so it's kind of tricky. Alright. Cheers. This is a chaotic stream, and it's just gonna get worse as this edible hits. Welcome to Friday Night Coding, baby! Alright. I think I sealed that baggie, I'm not sure. Blah, blah, blah. What next? Oh yeah, we could try that. You know what? No, okay, I've got a fix in mind, let's take care of it. So, where is that error actually coming from? Where does this message come from? Here, okay. So this doesn't actually throw errors, it just prints a GD error. That's actually not, that's even better though, in reality. But, just in case, let's do this. If node has node paths dot from scene root dot title screen, or if it doesn't have this, then print the error. Either way, return -1. Actually, no, scratch that. Let's print something regardless, but we'll make it just not like debug level instead of error level. That way we'll still know that, like, something's happening. I know that route doesn't exist yet, but we'll make it. Couldn't find room info object. Couldn't find room info objects in scene, but this is the title screen, so that's expected! Yippee! Okay, so we don't want this root subport because that's not, it's just not what it's going to be on the title screen. Ah! Ah! I love the soundtrack, but goddamn this upload. Every other song is like double the volume, half the volume. I'm gonna just separate this out just because I feel like it. Chat, did you see that there is leaked screenshots from the upcoming King of the Hill reboot? Bobby Hill is working in an Asian barbecue fusion restaurant. Sorry, he owns one. I don't know. Maybe he's just working in it. Most of that we knew, other than what type of restaurant it is. And furthermore, they use charcoal grills. Just crazy for a restaurant, but it is a barbecue restaurant, so I guess it's not that crazy. What am I looking for? Oh yeah, we want to... Okay, so... Oh, this isn't going to compile. Can I just run the last successful one? Will it let me do that? Probably. No, it's going to error at me. Oh, it did? Okay. Whatever. It's fine. Alright. Remote. Root / title screen is what I'm looking for. It's literally all I need. Oh, man. Yeah, we might end up doing a lot of administrative stuff around the game tonight. Of, like, getting a store page fully created and out there. And getting video and images for it. Stuff of that sort. Couldn't find room info object, but this is the title screen, so that's expected. Yippee! Alright, we fixed that. Oh, okay, this is that bug that was mentioned that I was talking about. I guess that is still a bug. Where it's like, hey, you tried to access this thing, but it's already disposed of. Which doesn't make any sense to me, because the object, the note hasn't even been picked up yet. But yeah, something specifically in the load is what's going wrong here. It doesn't matter what room you're in, because we went like to the starting room and that was still busted. Well, we fixed one thing, at least. A literal non-issue, but, you know, whatever. Oh, I don't need to write fixed next to it. We fixed it. Put the control bindings in the title screen, we can do that. Make it so the entire inventory isn't worked when the map... That is a big one. I think the only way to reproduce this one is to load an old save file, which we have. We can do that. It's gonna be a non-issue because, like, people won't have old save files that they're, like, loading in with this. But I don't like the concept that, like, the map can be a single point of failure for the menu. Like, that shouldn't... If that breaks for some reason, the whole game shouldn't just break. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do... I might briefly look into that, but first I want to figure out why, like, this loading thing is broken, because that's, like, an actual, like, huge issue that you can't, like, work around as a player. Then we'll put the controller... actually, no, we'll save that for last, putting the controls button on the title screen. Then we'll dig into making the game actually pause when you have menus open, and changing the look of the menus as well. And then we'll put the controller button on the... or control binding button on the title screen here. Get the staging area. That could be the difference between why it works with new game and not with load game. Oops. What happens if I load? I'm not broken if I load like this. Okay, there's already errors, which is annoying. But more specifically, if I load this, so it's broken now, we know that. I didn't get any more errors. That's the weird part about all this. So... I think we gotta use that staging screen. I'm gonna use that. We gotta wire it up though. So this is very counterintuitively happening in the save game script because it's just one script for saving and loading. You know what, it probably is that same error, but I don't know why we're not seeing, like, an error show up in the console. The same thing where, like, it's trying to access the game state object or whatever, but it doesn't have one. Or no. That will still exist because it's an auto-load, so that'll exist as soon as you launch the game. That, in turn, tries to access the player's inventory. That must be where things are getting borked up, yeah. Yeah, okay. Let's, no, we don't need to do that. Or, well, we do, but we're doing that. Why did I have it to do there? It's weird. Okay. Load game data instance set game state. Oh no, this should... yeah, no. This goes to the staging area. Fuck. Alright, well that's already happening then, never mind. Why is this happening, then? Oh! Dude, I really... okay, we should build this, like, right now. I need, like, a debug thing that just shows me, like, the entire, like, game state, or the entire player status. Let's build that. That'll save me so much time when we run into shit like this. I think I know what the issue is, but, it's similar to what we ran into before, where, like, it wasn't clearing the flag of, like, hey, player, you have the save menu open, and thus you can't do anything right now. Oh wait, don't I have a... I think I have a thing for this, hold on. Or... Dang it. Oh. Just make that public bucket. That should fix it. I still want that like little debug menu. So specifically, and I'm guessing that doesn't happen the first time around. Like if you like just open the game and load a save file, this doesn't happen. And I assume that's because it doesn't have a player instance yet to fuck up. Hey, I can move. My inventory's not trash. Huzzah! Oh, we might have actually just fixed that map issue too. So now we have the map, but I'm gonna reload. Okay, didn't actually fix anything. Also, the items in the room did not reset themselves. That did though. What the fuck? What if I go to title screen? Oop. Go to title screen, load game, load game. It like knows I got that map. I don't know how. Oh, it saves like the second you pick it up. No, it can't save to file with that, can it? There's no fucking way. That doesn't happen. It doesn't save to file unless you call save file. Also, holy error. What the fuck is going on in here? Null reference roominfo.ready. Oh, is that related? Okay, did I screw up my, like, testing area? This doesn't really matter. This won't matter for much longer, at least, because we're gonna eventually have, like, real rooms that we'll be using for testing, but, maybe I fucked up the door data in here? Yeah. How the hell did that happen? That explains why the doors weren't showing up. Oh god. Did Olive... Wait. Did I, like, break this for everything? God, I hope I set these up this way. Not... Oopsie. What about you? Are you also broken? No, you're fine. Oh, wait, shoot. What do you mean show node and tree doesn't work? What? Do I have to give it the door body? Area node 3D. Yeah, I think we do. Why did it even let me choose that, then? What the heck? It's not, like... The node 3D is not of type area 3D, what the fuck? Also, that's just wonderful to look at, because I can't navigate to it with that one trick. See if we get quite as many errors. Well, we're still getting the error on the notes, but that's, I guess, whatever. But yeah, so like loading definitely causes some issues. Like something's going on here. I don't know what. Hey, it knows the doors are there now. It's kind of funny that like the map fixes like the doors being broken. That's the kind of thing I'm talking about, though, where, like, the game doesn't just fully break because one piece of the map is busted, so that's good. Or like all the inventory is just not working because, oh, oops, you did this thing. Cool. All right, we squashed that bug. That's the important one. I'm glad we could fix that. Let's make the game pause when you are actually paused. How about that? Where do we even begin there? It's kind of like... It's a bit of that in everything, where we need to do checks to, like, not... So the player already can't move when, like, they're in a menu or whatever, but we need to check, like, everywhere. Oh, hey, has any UI open? Paused, menu open, reading, item open... Oh, perfect. This is exactly what I need. Some victory music. Cool. So we just call that from other things, basically. This is partially why we have a separate thing for, like, our player's status versus the player itself, because now these other objects don't need to worry about the player, but rather this, like, status object, which is the authority on, like, what the state of the game is. From the player's perspective, anyway. So I guess... to that end, what do we have? Shambler, and we have... Wait, there's a folder for enemies. Chaser. Probably could use a better name for any of these. Oh, you know what we should do instead? Just make a common one inside enemy. Once again, the music's super loud out of nowhere. Yippee! I'm just skipping this song, it's almost over anyway. I knew it! The next one was going to be reasonably volumed. Oh yeah, so in enemy... Wait, what? I said go to enemy, not... What? Weird. We'll need either of these variables, handle animation through events and signals. Oh yeah, shit, we will do that. Yeah, Chad, I think we're probably leaning towards more of a technical demo that we're releasing. But I do want to, even with that, I want to have, like, a definitive, like, win condition of, like, you finished this tech demo. While also just showing off what I've got in the game. Because effectively we've got, like, 1 or 2 more streams left of this. Well, I guess we're in the middle of one, so 1.5 to 2.5 more streams of this before I want to release my demo. Yeah, we're probably just doing dev streams from here till Halloween. Which I guess would give us an extra stream. It depends also if I can stream other days. To do, implement. Alright, none of this shit matters. What I care about is... So they don't have anything for this. Oh, we had like a secondary class that was running on every enemy called Damage Handler. Oh, right, because we did that for like every like living object in the game. Or actually even breakable stuff too, I think had Damage Handler on it. Okay, so we just call this from both of our classes in the update loop, and do that, I guess. And there's not really anything else we need to worry about in terms of, like, stuff that's, like, moving while we have the menu open, so I think that should do it. Just need to remember to call that from every additional enemy I make from here on out. Let's test her out, shall we? That was a lot easier than... That's looking pretty good. That's looking pretty good. Fuck, I can't see. Yeah, the fact that he wasn't on me. I'm stuck. Why am I stuck? I'm like getting hit by him. Oh no, I fell off the side of the screen. Alright, start over. Well, I guess I won't be able to know with the load either. Whatever. Yeah, we know. Are there any other screens I'm forgetting about? Status menu, save menu, load menu, pause menu, nope. That's everything. I just took that corner bad. That's how it, that's all that happened there. Nice. Okay, done and done. Lost the game when in a menu. Oh, you know what? Not fully done. I want to do one more thing about that. Save game UI is good. Pause UI. You there. Should put an image here or something, I don't know, man. Anything but this, basically. But whatever, that'll be fine. Where's the status menu? It is this, isn't it? Fuck, okay, I want to rename this, but we're gonna have to do that a little carefully. Never mind, not very carefully, actually. We'll call it player status screen UI. Actually, screw UI, just player status screen. Here we go. Oh, but more importantly though, this bullshit out of here. Make it look like an old DOS window or not DOS, old Windows 3.1 window. Old DOS window, you know. The operating system famous for having a bunch of windows. DOS. Sweet. Alright, done and done. So now we want to add our controller binding menu to the title screen. Yeah, we kind of breezed through this stuff. That's awesome. Maybe we'll even get back to that like map bug and fix that. Now this is not fixed, that's for sure. Player inventory item box control. Don't know what those notes were about. Let's just sanity check this. Is there anywhere else that's doing this? Oh shit. Yes, actually. Several places. Oh, because this is not... Well, we can do this. I just need to like... Oh, I was wondering how the hell that wasn't a thing in the... or like how the method we need to be calling wasn't coming up. Go one step better than this, though. Just to be absolutely certain, this is the exact same thing as what that other section's doing, right? Yep. Ooh, that's nice and easy. Alright, now we can just call this one instead. Cool, man. Thanks. Maybe just copy that whole thing instead of not the whole thing. Alright, one more search for this. Why does this care about... Wait, what? Oh, it needs to know if the, movement is raw. Right. There's more places, god damn it. Game constants. Oh wait, okay, no, that's good. That's one place we want that. Note reader. How is there still more stuff in Note reader doing this? Fuck. That's new code too, man. How did I... Like, even if it knows that namespace, this isn't going to, like, work if I remove the game constants, right? How? How does it know? I don't trust like that. Confirm... And then on the player, even. What the heck? How was the player not the first place I used this on? Weird. Also, this one should be with dead zones, so... we'll use that one instead. Alright, how much did I break? Wait. No, hold on. Scratch that. Do another search. Yay, one result! Always love a little code cleanup. I really should have committed before making this, like, sweeping change to just fuck with a bunch of things all over the goddamn place. And so far, so good, though. Oops, wrong button. The other one we won't really know. I need to spawn in one of the harder dudes. Apparently that wasn't done, but now it is. Maybe we'll, okay, I don't know what these fucking numbers were for, but, get that shit out of here. Next thing on our list is to add the control bindings to the title screen. And then we can mess around with this a little bit, see if we can, like, enhance things so that we're not, like, causing failures. And I think after that we'll start building out the store page. Which really is just going to be, like, getting assets and stuff. I guess I can't really record a video of it because I would use OBS. So I guess I'll just do it off screen. Whew. I don't know why I'm streaming this part of the process in general, but it's something that needs done for our demo release date that's coming up very, very soon. But before all that, chat, give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back. Important thing is we managed to solve the really bad bug before my edible hit. So let's actually commit that before I, like, break anything and need to like roll back. I don't know why this would break anything. This is just rebinding the controls, which is very detached from a lot of the other components of the game, which is a good thing. Either way, though. Okay, not these files at the top. I need to delete those from the repo. They're ones I accidentally already checked in, so like I gotta futz with stuff a little bit. Fixed. Load game. Bugs. Made game pause when menus are opened. We changed like a lot of things here. Made menu backgrounds all solid. Messed a bit with the title screen as well. Oh yeah, fixed not being able to click on the title screen. Oh yeah, and cleaned up, redundant code for detecting analog movements. Cool. Committed, pushed, bada bing, bada boom. Not a moment too soon, I can feel it, Mr. Krabs. What are we doing? We're adding the controller stuff to the controller bindings to the title screen. Now, the cool thing about that is, since they're Genesis, the controller binding stuff has been just a separate scene, because I set that up before I even attached to anything. I think this scene even runs on its own. This button obviously doesn't work, but you know. Cool. So, I mean, in theory, that should all just... I can just plop that in here. But I feel like when we put this in our menu in the first place, we had random issues, so maybe those shall rear their ugly head again. Who knows? Also, we're gonna need to adjust the alignment of all these guys, but that is okay. It's highly doable, as a matter of fact. Oh, you know what's gonna be tricky about this, though? Is the fucking... the title screen's alignment. So I think we move that up to 50. Yeah, I can't, like, just move this one up 50 because it'll go the wrong way. Have to get in here manually and do this. I think that might have been the end of the demo, the soundtrack chat. And I think we're good there. Sure was. Tekken 2 soundtrack. I know what we're gonna do. Keep the energy high, chat. Bring on the Bomberman Hero ST. Alright, new button. And then we'll need to wire everything up as well. We'll need a new parameter for it too. In retrospect, I kind of wish I had named this something different, but whatever. Also, that's called options game button. Or, sorry, I was... Controls... Probably should be under options, but whatever. I'm not gonna redo that. Oops. Now, unlike last time, this has an easier fix because these are all the same spacing. Oh wait, no they're not. Wait, are they? Yeah, they are. Okay. Oh, no, they're not. The last one is a bigger one. Dang it. Okay. Again, this thing literally does not matter at all. All for aesthetics. I don't know if this is going to work the way I think it is. I hope it does, though. Hey. Well, now I hate the way that that sits with the two layers here. I guess maybe just having them like that. Is that too weird? Placement-wise. I don't know, whatever, man. Let's actually make this button work, shall we? Oh hey, I'm in the right class, nice. Oh wait. There we go. Got there eventually. So close. It fixed all of the code now. And then I don't think we'll need anything in this region because all of that code's already in that subscene. Oh, we'll need to wire up the back button differently, but that's okay. In fact, it might not be wired up at all in its own scene. Or the worst case scenario, it's hardwired to like look at its parent, which is the player UI, to close itself out. Hope that's not the case. Could be, though. Whew. Would help if I put the actual scene in here. Not default controls setup. Shoot, I didn't compile. Make those children editable, because we'll need them for focus reasons. Also wire up this bad boy, holy moly. Controls menu goes here. Knit focus load game. Oh yeah, that's intentionally blank. Wait, well I just shouldn't have that then. And there we go. We'll just start in the top left. Seems like the correct choice here. Oh, you know what? I think we set this manually in code. No, we don't. We don't do shit with it. So get it out of here then. We don't... No need for a parameter that we're not going to use. If we do it in code, it's just... we don't use that variable. Like, we don't set that to what the value is. I think it happens, like, after it, Oh yeah, it happens internal to its own script, right? Because it has the list of buttons underneath it, yeah. After loading the files in. Cool. I think we can call it this without screwing everything up, potentially. Oh, and then the back button in here, we need it to call back to do the things. Reset to default should work as is, that's no problem. Ooh. Alright, we're gonna need to investigate that method, but we learned earlier we can just update this to do two things, I guess, which probably not ideal, but it's just a menu, so it's not like it needs to run insanely optimally or anything. Title screen, connect, right? Oh, yeah, no, pick the button. What's Godot method do here? Yeah, I'm sure that works with GDScript, but it's just like, So on back clicked in our controller binding code, which I think is under data. Nope. Oh, probably under game UI then. Yeah. Yep. And this is going to be on back click. Pause screen UI. Just null check it, I guess. Definitely a funky way of setting up this menu, because essentially, like, I just left this variable unset, and you need it for stuff. The idea being that, like, that doesn't exist in its own scene, so when you plop it into the scene, you would always have one of those to reference. Alternatively, if I did want to just leave it at one signal, I could have, like, an if-else statement there. Like, keep that as a parameter you can pass stuff into, but then make it just a control, and then type check it to see, like, hey, is my parent menu the player menu in game, or is it the other menu? Actually, I kind of like that. I'm talking myself into it here. The signals work just fine as well, so I don't know, but, yeah, no, it's like I thought, fuck reflection. We're not type checking the thing and having different code happen. based on one or the other. Why did I open this? Oh yeah, I wanted to double check that this wasn't being referenced anywhere else in here, but there's like nothing in this class, so yeah, that was it. Oh, and then I did want to tweak this on the options menu UI. Nope, that's not the right screen. I want title screen UI. Also make sure setting controller game menu, controller menu, controls menu, visible false. There we go. Out there. We'll test it now, just for the hell of it. See what things I forgot to assign. We appear to be good. Same old good old control screen. Reset the default. I probably should have changed something before doing that, but no errors showing up. Back. We're back on the screen. Sweet. Can open this menu. That's fine. Go back to controls. Change the controls. Go back. Have it saved. And I can reset. Okay. Actually, one final test here. Okay. I guess movement's an easy one, right? Don't use WSAD. I can't do that. Alright. Did that. Okay, it did work. This is a lot harder to navigate when I've changed all the controls. One thing that's annoying is this doesn't affect menus. I should probably consider that. I'm gonna write that as a note here. Also, we just did that, so we're good. Oh no, chat. What did I literally just say? Look, potentially do this. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah. When changing move up, down, right. Also change the UI. Also, you know what? Hold on. Also, similar issue on controller. All right. Wait, no, shoot. Ah, fuck. You know what? I want to start fresh anyway. So change our controls. Do the same thing, I guess. Okay, it's working. Now I'm going to... Oh, we didn't... We can test the guy. I think it's working. Yep. Cool. Oh, fuck. So we can hide that. We've proven that the auto hide works. Hey, it saved them. Okay. If I load a game, controller bindings are still the same. Hooray! What am I doing? Just reset? Okay, that's done. That works as far as I can tell. Commit that bad boy. Added control binding to title screen. Sorry, I'm thinking about other stuff right now. Yeah, controller binding to title screen. Done. Just thinking about the UI button, like having up always go up in menus as well. And same for UI confirm as well and cancel, I guess. Like all of those probably should match whatever you set binding wise. Structurally, I'm not sure how that works though. Let me start looking at it, because I think I know what one of the hurdles are for this is going to be. And I actually haven't really gone over this code at all, because the controller binding is like the one thing I've done in this game that wasn't on stream. So, and it works pretty solidly, so I haven't had to really like go into the code either. What the hell am I looking for, chat? I guess I just want to look at this scene. Yeah, what parameters do I have on the controls? So action is up. Oh, okay, so we're doing that by enum then, so that's actually not quite as bad. I thought we were just gonna have like a string for like what the action was. Wait, that is an enum, right? Okay, yeah. Open the script. Oh, right. Goodness gracious. It's another complication. We have like the primary, tertiary, and secondary controls, which would mean something different depending on which thing we're looking at. And naturally we have 3 of those because it's the movement keys. God. This might not be something that's like super doable. That's not actually what I wanted to look at. I think I just... That's interesting. So I guess I did this to like... Well, I don't really know why I did this, because like these individual things should be... I guess I did it to avoid like having to manually go set up a signal for every single one of the buttons on this screen. That would be a little annoying. But I also could have set up a signal like in code in the constructor, or then the like ready? Yeah, the ready method of this thing. Unhandled input. Okay. So I guess we just globally define those ones. That's fine, I suppose. Control binding type. Oh dear God, what is this? Oh yeah. Gotcha. Okay. It's mildly complicated logic, but whatever. This is just like determining like what column what column of the controller bindings this was meant for based off what the input that we detected was, because we just have like this raw processor for incoming input. So if it's something from the D-pad, it just assumes that's like the rightmost slot. And then anything that indicates it's a controller, then it's for the middle slot. Otherwise, keyboard. Input mapper dot get event for binding. Oh, let me look at my logs. This actually might help a lot if I look at this. I guess I didn't change anything there. Setting action up, primary to Y. Learn. So that's all my internal identifiers and not something else. Yeah, input.add action event. Input map.erase event. Oh, okay. So I set things up so that the values of this enum align with... Oh wait, this is not an enum. Oh, it is all strings. Wait, action string equals action.toString. Oh yeah, because my controls is an enum that's aligned with all the like namings of the actual controls things. That is why that's a requirement for that to be lined up, and why I have that enum in the first place is because when I set up this controller binding stuff, that was like the simplest like mapping from like what the logical control is in the game and then what I'm referencing in the code. Action erase event. Okay. Wait, string action and then my own type? Wait, is input mapper my thing? Is this... Oh, this is also code I wrote. I thought this was like the core thing we were doing. Oh. hell else do we do with this then? Save controls config. Right, so it stores all that. So we load from file, input map.add action event, which takes an input event. So I guess, we map them specifically at the start so that we know which one to, like, replace it with in the list. Man, this is freaking complicated. Like, what we would need to do in this instance is have, like, a specific secondary rule for when it's one of the, like, directional buttons. Yeah, no, screw all that. I don't think this juice is worth the squeeze. It's, it would be cool to have, like, the menus, like, follow whatever directional buttons you set up, but, like, I feel like it's not that unreasonable to just assume that, like, the arrow keys or joystick are going to be the way to navigate through the menu no matter what. It's not perfect, but I mean, whatever. Alright, let's start getting more stuff for the store page, because I don't think there's really much else to do. Oh, did I commit everything? Yeah. Wait. Oh no, I want to be in the other scene. Oh, no, we can do that. We can just drop ourselves in there. There we go. Oh, am I saving these in the right place? I am, okay, good. Sometimes with Greenshot I just, like, don't put things in the correct area. Oh, you know what? Shoot, when I took that picture earlier, I didn't have the controls in the thing. We hadn't added the controls button yet, so. We'll go with that. Whew. Why is that showing as unlocked? Weird. Eh. Like I said, I'll still need to get like a video elsewhere, but that honestly should probably do it for images, at least. I've already got the description filled out. Oh yeah, I guess that'll go up in the zip file that I upload for it. Cover image. It's tricky. I had screenshots though. We'll draw some art for the cover image at some point, but okay, images are uploaded. Wait. I think, no, yeah, you can definitely upload or you can at least embed a video in an itch.io page. Oh yeah, gameplay video or trailer, there you go. Just give it a URL. Okay, yeah, so I'll just record that and upload that to my YouTube and then link it, and that'll be good. What else? Why are we looking at a blank room? Oh, because the... Gotta draw that cover image, I suppose. We could do that. We could do... what other things are there for this that we need to do? I guess nothing, actually, because... just need that, that image. Oh, and the video, but... can't do that because I'm currently recording this VOD. It's a chicken and egg situation. Ooh. Let's draw. Let's do it. I think at this point, with my current mental faculties, probably not going to be able to do much more on the game, so we're going to probably just play something in a bit here. But I can definitely draw. It's not gonna get any worse than my drawing is, you know? Alright. Recommended 630 by 500. Let's do that. Yeah, you know, I don't need a transparent background. No, don't want to, well, maybe. So say I don't want a, like, black background, but I guess, yeah, whatever, it's dark. Suppose I can let you guys see what I'm doing. I don't know why I had GIMP hidden over there, don't worry about it. Like, I want to look at my... I don't remember what I drew for the cover image for my the first Goon's House of Doom, and I'm like, part of me wants to look at it so I can't, like, I don't replicate it by mistake, but also, if I look at it, then that's what's going to be in my brain about, like, what I can draw. I got a dumb idea. So I'm gonna change the background to something else, but whatever. Oops. Chat, maybe I'm not able to make this happen. Oops. Screw it. We're rolling with this, chat. Okay, well, the first half of the VOD just got borked because OBS exploded on us, but we're back. You didn't miss much. As you can see, I drew a roof. I think that's where it got cut off, because in OBS it was like all frozen and everything. I don't know why I'm drawing things this way, but...
The game's over.
No, my game! It's over! Chat, I don't know why I chose to draw this thing right here and now. No. You know what? There, that's actually great. It's like the house is pogging. And then, chat, to this is dumb. I don't know what this I don't know what I'm doing here. Ooh. It's weird that Twitch still says my bitrate is like horrible. Oh, now it doesn't when I refresh. Weird. Oops. That's definitely not close enough. Alright, what are the odds I actually sealed this up? Yeah, I figured as much. Probably on this side then? No, wait. Is it? No. I find bucket enhance. Which one's open here? I guess it could be this one. No, it's not though. Yeah, that's definitely... Ah. Little bastard. No, why I keep crashing. But we're back again. This is quite the stream. Anyway, I don't know where I crashed, but I was saying cooking. Actually have an idea that might... It's like not quite the shade of orange I was going for. Let me brighten that up a bit. No! The threshold's gotta be 0. There we go. No, wait. That's no good. Actually, wait. Screw it. Let's do this instead. We can have like a little core inside of here. You know what, chat? Not the worst thing I've ever made. I'll say it. Anyway, though, that being said, here's the image that we made. Beautiful, I know. I'm uploading that right now, and then we'll have a page. Boom. Boom, chat. Look at that. It's not live yet, but, you know. Anyway, I mean, I could flip it to live, like, right now. There's no build on it, so it wouldn't be anything. I need to figure out how to edit, like, the CSS of that page. Because I don't want it to just be, like, flat white. In fact, I'm pretty sure my other games don't have that. Let me check. Not my library, my page. I guess Creator Dashboard will do it. Like, if I were to go... Oh. That's weird. I got a warning that, like, one of my game pages... Yeah. First Goon Sassadoon. Look at that. That has its own thing. Oh, I don't have a favicon prep for that. I'll need that. Yeah. I think that might be all I have in me for game dev tonight. Pardon the random crashes. Let's play something, I guess. We gotta figure out what I'll play. Actually, I do have the perfect thing to play. We'll see. I'm gonna take a break first, though. Yeah, hopefully the stream does not crash again. That would be really cool if it didn't. But yeah, BRB.